Oh, we keep finding more and more of these murders from this Griller character. I'm losing my mind. I don't know what else. You better be information that I need. Callaway. What, down by the warehouse? Go, get there! Hey, you! What are you doing?
Nothing.
You know there's a murder going on around here?
No.
Well, you got some identification?
No.
What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
Aaron.
What are you doing here?
Nothing.
There's been 4 murders in the last day, and I see you breaking into this place.
I was not breaking in.
Well, do you want to explain why you're here, and what are you doing?
I was just trying.
Can I take a look at your hands? Let me see your hands. Where'd you get these burn marks?
I was playing with fire.
I think you're coming downtown. No, get off me!
Hello? Callaway? What? I'm having my breakfast. I'm tired of this. No, I'm not going anywhere now. I'm having my breakfast. I'll get there when I get there.
So, Aaron, if that's your real name, we are looking into this. You want to explain the contents of what I found in your external hard drive?
Mine?
We found this in your apartment, and you're trying to say this isn't yours. Or how about what we found on your computer?
I've never seen that in my life.
You want to explain the plans you and the Griller have made?
You know what? You're the pig. You figure it out.
Look,
Little bacon strip.
we're not going to put up with this. All right? You're looking at 20, and it could be a lot more.
Yeah, then let's do more. You ain't getting nothing out of me.
Do I need to let you know who's come out of retirement to solve this? You could be looking at life, mister.
That would make a difference? I ain't saying nothing. Now just get out of my face.
Does the name Chief Casey, Captain Seymour Casey, sound familiar to you? We got him on. That's right. We're on to you. So do you want to make this easy? Do you want to explain the contents? You know where the Griller's going to attack next. Just tell us where it is.
Well,
Look, he's just a phone call away. If you want me to get him, you have no other options. You're looking at prison for life.
I'll tell you. The Griller, he said he's going to attack a girl tonight at a park. I don't know when, the time, he said he was going to attack her. You didn't hear this from me.
I gotta call the captain. Excuse me, Captain. An Officer Callaway's here to see you.
Oh yes, have him come in.
Very good. Excuse me, Captain.
Callaway.
Oh, please, don't get up. Very good to see you, sir.
Well, thank you. News?
Yes, actually, we have some good news, sort of. We have one of his accomplices. He goes by the name Aaron.
Aaron?
He's down at the precinct now. We have him in custody.
Uh-huh.
While I was interrogating him, I mentioned your name, and he got very, very agitated. I think he knows your reputation, and he's kind of afraid of you. And I'm hoping that you might come on down and maybe further this a little bit by, giving us a little bit so we can find this guy.
You can count on it.
I appreciate that, and so would the entire country.
Okay, Callaway.
Thank you.
Yep. Oh, my dear Caroline, we're going to get him this time, I promise you. So, Aaron, where did you say the Griller is going to strike next?
I told your police officer friend that he was going to attack at a park.
A park? Again?
No.
Do you know what I know about the Griller? He doesn't strike in the same place twice. That's what I know. Now, are you going to tell me?
You don't know this guy.
Are you going to tell me? Huh?
I don't know why.
Do you know something?
What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do?
Do you know who the griller's first victim was? Do you know? Get up. My first victim was my daughter. And I'm getting him. And this time, he's not going back to the mental hospital. This time, he's dying. Now you get one last chance. One last chance.
I'm gonna kill you.
Where and when? Where and when?
Off me, I'll tell you if you let this
No,
off me.
you're telling me now. Where and when? If I tighten this again, I won't loosen it.
Alright, I'm telling you. He said he was gonna attack. He said he's gonna have this barbecue with this girl he met at this bar.
Address.
He said 14 Westwood Road.
Time.
He said around 7, 8, 6, I don't know. He said later tonight.
Take him out of here.
Ready?
This is Calloway. We've had a problem. You gotta get here. He's got away. He's got away. I'm dying. Help me. Hurry up. Hurry up.